What happens when you open a Demat account? When you open a dematerialized account, you are essentially creating an electronic vault where your shares, bonds, ETFs, mutual fund units, and other securities can be stored digitally instead of in paper form. Here's what actually happens behind the scenes in India. 1. Your identity is verified. KYC, permanent account number, Aadhaar, address proof, bank account details, photograph and signature. The broker or depository participant, DP, verifies these with government databases. 2. A Demat account number is created. Depository, NSDL or CDSL. Example, your unique Demat account number. A trading account is usually linked trading account, used to buy or sell shares on NSE or BSE. Demat account, used to hold those shares. The depository opens a record in your name. Think of it like a bank ledger for securities. On settlement T+1, shares are credited to your Demat account. When you sell a share, shares are debited from your Demat account. Broker sells them on the exchange. Sale proceeds are credited to your bank trading account. Once cleared, the depository creates a beneficiary owner (BO) account and gives you a permanent 16-digit BO ID. This ID is yours forever. Even if you switch brokers, your shares stay attached to this ID and simply get transferred to your new broker's DP.